I could not eat. I could not be social with my family and friends. And it was a fear. It was very uncomfortable. And I would, feel a lot of pain or not be able to bite into an apple or bite into a corn on the cob or bite into a piece of toast that was crusty. So it made a big difference in the quality of my life. I'm Kim Figueroa. I had an ailment which caused me to start losing my teeth. I had quite a lot of pain and discomfort with gaps in my teeth and being able to be comfortable eating things that I didn't eat before, like corn on the cob, like apples, without the pain or without the fear that something terrible would happen. I needed a more permanent solution.
Kim also came to me very resigned as to saying that I cannot chew my tooth well because she was missing a lot of back teeth. The question was, how can you give me some teeth that I can chew on and I don't have problems with irritating the gums? She was getting a lot of gum irritation from those partials that she had.
I'm one of those people that have always been very frightened of the dentist, and all of the staff has been so kind and so patient and so engaging. Dr. Zade has a warm personality and will take the time to spend the time to explain the before and after and the benefits.
I said the same thing about 4 to 6 implants with a friction grip bridge over them. It's been a great success again for years now. She's been using the teeth that we gave her, and she's very happy.
First time I saw my new smile was here. I cried because I didn't expect it to be so beautiful. I didn't expect it to look the way it looked. Dental implants have really changed my life in that it built my confidence to be able to smile without feeling that my teeth were going to look awkward. And it made me happy being able to take pictures with my family and my grandchildren and selfies, which I was not able to do prior to getting the implants. To someone that was hesitant, I would tell them it's worth the cost for your overall health and happiness. And it was worth the cost to me for my health and my overall happiness. I have not been disappointed, not one day. I'm Kim Figueroa, and I love my smile. By Dr. Zade Dentistry.